They're buying Bitcoin while everyone else is selling. Everyone bit the bait. There's so much selling going on, even though so despite institutions, buying more Bitcoin, which I just covered an article about that. It's from Yahoo Finance. And the article was titled Spot Bitcoin ETFs ingest $562 million in daily inflows. This article was released yesterday, February the 2nd. You wouldn't even know that that's happening because Bitcoin is still getting hit so hard with selling. Why? Because retail bit the bait. What you're like, what bait, Alphanine? What are you talking about? Look at these articles. They're being people in other entities that are very impressionable are being inundated with articles like this. Listen to this. This is manipulation at its finest. This is how the institutions who control the media get people to sell their Bitcoin. And let's just be real. People could buy back into Bitcoin, but probably not at the price if you bought it super low. You know what I mean? But not financial advice. But what the problem is that a lot of people turn away from Bitcoin forever. You know what happens then? Their lives get ruined. While in the future, everybody is, once again, not financial advice. In the future, while everybody is buying new houses and taking vacations and not worrying about the calamitous time that is coming because the world is being fragmented, the financial systems are terrible, the governments are at each other's throats, and all the politicians are making people fight each other, right? So those people that had the Bitcoin and, they make a great profit in the future won't have to worry. But the people that got manipulated, well, they're about to have a really tough time. Get what I'm saying? That's why it's important to be careful of the mainstream media. I mean, do what you want, not financial advice, once again. But look at this article. I'm going to read these headlines to you. This is the conditioning. This is how they get people to sell. This article is titled, "This is absolutely insane. Bitcoin's weekend crash exposes cracks beneath." Do governments still want Bitcoin? Article writer? Yes. Do large institutions still want Bitcoin? Yes. Are banks going to still play with Bitcoin in the future? Yes. All of that means Bitcoin's price is going to be astronomical in the future. So long term is bullish. So why are they painting it like as if Bitcoin is over? Wait a minute, there's more. Look at all these articles. They're just inundating the people with negativity. Bitcoin price plunges 40% from all-time highs to one-year lows. This is how they think they're going to get clicks and views, not understanding, or maybe they do understand, they just don't care, that the people are being affected by this. Manipulation at its finest. Who do you think is paying for all of this? Do you think they're just doing this? Maybe they are. If they are, then holy smokes. Humanity has a lot of development to do to get past this primitive stage, if that's the case, or if they're just doing this and they're not even being paid by the companies that control all the media. But look at this, another article, CNBC, Bitcoin breaks below $73,000 to lowest since November 2024 as heavy selling resumes. I see more negative articles now than I ever see positive articles for Bitcoin. There's some out there every week, but this is way more. That makes sense. Bitcoin plummets, Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin plummets to 15-month low as crypto stock prices tumble. Why are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP prices going down today again? The Street website, MicroStrategy struggles ahead of earnings after latest Bitcoin crash. I'm saying exactly how they want people to perceive it. People are like, they're clutching their pearls. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin, it must be over. I got to sell. And as the institutions are buying, I'm just exposing the game. That's all. I mean, I don't know if I put it in a way that you find useful or entertaining. I can only do the best that I can do. But that's what they're doing here. While they're stacking, all others are selling. Only for Bitcoin explode in price later. Like I said, I listed 3 of the semi-permanent strong catalysts that give these institutions the reasoning as to why they say Bitcoin's going to $200,000, $300,000. You think they said that for nothing? They have high-paid researchers and analysts on their team. They know why they said it. But at the same time, they're going to play the game, knowing that most of retail, most regular people, they play the short game and they don't do research. So they don't know Bitcoin is so bullish that it's probably bullish for the next 2-3 years. Give or take. Not forever, no, but very solid. Once again, not financial advice. All right, folks. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains super bullish based on real catalysts, actual catalysts, not hearsay.